Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Siti Balkis Agustina from RK class. And in here, I will explain a midterm project about consonant analysis project and minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonant in the initial and final position in English. And the first is persons. P versus B. P is voiceless and B is voice. And initial position is pet versus bed. And the final position is mob versus mob. And next, F versus F. And F is voiceless and F is voice. And initial position is fan versus fan. And next final position is leaf versus leaf. And next us versus us. Us is voiceless and us is voice. Initial position is zip versus zip. And final position is buzz versus buzz. And next persons for j versus j. And j is voiceless and j is voice. And initial position is chin versus gin. And final position is match versus beige. And next k versus g. K is voiceless and g is voice. And initial position is can versus gan. And final position is bag versus bag. And next persons is the versus the. And the is voiceless and the is voice. And initial position is din versus this. And final position is teeth versus bread. And next the versus the. The is voiceless and the is voice. And initial position is ten versus den. And final position is head versus head. And next j versus j. S versus j. S is voiceless and j is voice. And initial position is she versus genre. And final position is beige versus beige. And last l versus r. And final and r is voiceless and r is voice. And initial position is let and red. And final position is peel versus pear. Okay. And next is tongue twister. Tongue twister 1 is k versus g. And tongue twister. Katie can cook good green curry. Katie can cook good green curry. Nice. In this tongue twister, I use the minimal pair ki, ke, and g. Both are filler possession is voiceless and g is voice. Next, tongue twister. Tongue twister is minimal pair p versus b. Tongue twister is Peter's big puppy beat Billy's blue balloon. Peter's big puppy beat Billy's blue balloon. And this tongue twister use the minimal pair p versus b. And the p is voiceless and b is voice. Next, tongue twister 3. Minimal pair is t versus d. Minimal pairnya and tongue twisternya Tommy told Danny to deliver the donuts. Tommy told Danny to deliver the donuts. And the third tongue twister used the and the. This is both are alveolar plosive, made with the tongue near the teeth ridge. The t is voiceless and the is voice. Alright, enough for me. Sorry if I have a mistake. Thank you for listening to my project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.